In this video, we will be showing you how to install a storm door. First, gather all the tools you will need. This will include a tape measure, drill bits, and a drill. Having safety glasses, flat and Phillips head screwdrivers, a utility knife, pliers, and a level is also recommended. Before you purchase your storm door, measure your door opening. Measure the height and width in several places inside the brick mold. To begin, place the hinge mounting rail in the opening. Push the hinge rail up until it rests against the brick mold. Mark a dot right in the middle of the placement hole. Using your mark, insert your placeholder screw, leaving roughly 1/8 of an inch exposed. Next, install the sweep to the door expander. This will provide adjustability to the bottom of the door, creating a tighter seal. Crimp the end to clamp the sweep in the expander. Slide the expander onto your door. Attach your rail extender to the bottom of the hinge rail. The bottom of the extender is marked with an L or an R for left or right hinge. Then, attach your hinge mounting rail to your storm door. Start at the top of your storm door with the inside facing up towards you. Align the top hole on the hinge leaf with the indicator hole on the door edge. Insert the first hinge screw at the top of the door, then insert the rest of the hinge screws. Now we are ready to hang the door. Slide the top placement hole on the hinge rail over the placement screw on your door jamb. Tighten the top screw and insert one bottom screw. Extend your rail extender down to your door sill. Install the remaining hinge screws, then attach your exterior door screws. Next, install your drip cap above the door. Line up the end of your drip cap with the end of your hinge rail. Check for consistent clearance across the top of the door, then attach the screws. To install your latch mounting rail, take your rail extender and slide it in the bottom of your latch rail. Place the latch rail in the opening of your door jamb, lining it up with your drip cap. Then insert the screws. Slide the rail extender down to meet your sill. Now install your latch hardware. Handles and lock sets vary by model, so it is important to follow the instructions and template provided by your door. This door has a template to make drilling holes for the hardware easy. Insert the spindle, attach the handles, and fasten the supplied screws. Next, head inside and push down the expander until the sweep slightly touches the sill. Insert the screws to secure the expander. Add the adjustable closers to the inside of your door, following the instructions included in the closer box. Repeat these steps for the top closer. Now, add the rail screw covers for a nice clean finish. Your installation is complete. You can install a storm door yourself and quickly make your entryway not only beautiful, but energy efficient.